Hey everyone, it's Ami Gur here, and let's be real, the economy feels like it's hanging onto a roller coaster about to plummet. We've got inflation through the roof, the stock market doing its best impression of a yo-yo, and don't even get me started on crypto. But hey, I'm not here to spread fear. In fact, I'm here to tell you about an investment opportunity that could not only protect your hard-earned money, but potentially even make it grow, even in these uncertain times. We're talking about physical silver, and in this video I'm breaking down the 7 reasons why 2024 is the year to get on board. Are you ready to uncover one of the most powerful investment opportunities of 2024? Silver, not just any silver but physical silver, is gaining attention worldwide, and today, we'll show you exactly why you should make it part of your portfolio. Stick with us as we break it down into 7 compelling reasons. Let's rewind the clock for a second. Before we had fancy credit cards and digital currencies, there was silver. And no, I'm not talking about some medieval fantasy here. For centuries, silver was literally used as money. I mean, think about it, the word dollar itself comes from thaler, an old silver coin. Even the British pound sterling originally referred to a pound of, you guessed it, silver. This stuff has stood the test of time, guys. It's durable, it's divisible, and it's got intrinsic value, meaning it's not just some arbitrary number on a screen. When you hold physical silver, you're holding a piece of financial history, a tangible asset that has been trusted for millennia. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest advantages of physical silver. It's a tangible asset. Unlike stocks, bonds, or even that Bitcoin you've been hearing so much about, silver doesn't rely on someone else's promise. It's not a digital entry in some database that can be hacked or wiped out. It's real, it's physical, and you can hold it in your hand. This means no counterparty risk. Remember the 2008 financial crisis? When banks were dropping like flies? Well, those who held physical assets like gold and silver, they weathered the storm a whole lot better. That's the beauty of it. It's a hedge against uncertainty, a safe haven when the financial system feels shaky. Let me throw some numbers at you because here's the deal. The silver market is facing a major supply crunch. We're talking about a supply deficit, where demand outstrips supply, and it's not a small deficit either. In 2023, we saw a whopping 140 million ounce shortage, and guess what? That's the 3rd year in a row. Why is this happening? Well, for starters, mines are producing less silver, and recycling efforts just can't keep up with the surging demand. What happens when something becomes scarcer? That's right, the price goes up. It's basic economics, and it's a trend that's only going to intensify in the coming years. Chapter 4. The tech industry can't get enough silver. Now you might be thinking, okay, silver is cool and all, but is it really that useful in today's world? Well, buckle up, because here's where it gets really interesting. Silver isn't just a pretty face, it's an industrial powerhouse. Think solar panels, electric vehicles, those fancy 5G networks everyone's talking about, even medical devices. They all rely heavily on silver. And why is that? Because silver is the best electrical and thermal conductor on the planet. No other element even comes close. As technology advances and these industries boom, the demand for silver is only going to skyrocket. It's simple supply and demand, folks, and right now, demand is winning. Chapter 5. Investors are flocking to silver. Here's why. It's not just the tech industry that's driving the silver rush. Savvy investors around the world are waking up to the potential of this precious metal. In 2023, the demand for silver coins and bars hit a record 263 million ounces. That's a massive surge, and it shows that people are looking for a safe haven for their money, especially with all the craziness going on in the world right now. They're seeing the writing on the wall. Inflation is eating away at their savings, the stock market is volatile, and they're looking for a tangible asset that can hold its value. Silver is that asset, and it's no surprise that it's becoming the go-to choice for investors seeking stability and growth. Chapter 6. Silver, the dwindling supply. Here's another thing to consider. Unlike gold, which is largely hoarded and recycled, a significant portion of the silver ever mined has been used up. It's gone, vanished, dispersed into various industrial applications. Think about all those electronics, solar panels, and medical devices we talked about earlier. Much of that silver is simply irretrievable. This means that the above-ground stockpiles of silver are dwindling, and we're sitting on a much smaller reserve than many people realize. In fact, some estimates suggest that we only have about 3 years' worth of global demand left at current consumption rates. That's a pretty sobering thought, and it highlights the scarcity of this precious metal. Chapter 7. Break free from market manipulation with physical silver. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: market manipulation. The paper silver market, where silver is traded like a stock, is rife with shady practices. We're talking about big institutions and banks trading massive amounts of paper silver that don't even exist. This creates an artificial suppression of the silver price, keeping it artificially low. But here's the thing, this game can't go on forever. Eventually, the physical demand for silver will overwhelm the paper market, and when that happens, we're going to see a massive price correction. That's where physical silver comes in. When you own physical silver, you're not playing their game, you're holding a tangible asset that's immune to their manipulations. You're in control, and you're positioned to benefit when the truth about the silver market is finally revealed. So, there you have it, 7 compelling reasons why physical silver is the investment opportunity of 2024. It's a hedge against inflation, a store of value, and a key to the future. With industrial demand soaring, supply deficits widening, and the potential for a massive market correction, there's never been a better time to add physical silver to your portfolio. Don't wait for the prices to skyrocket. Secure your financial future today. Physical silver isn't just an investment, it's a hedge, a store of value, and a key to the future. With rising industrial demand, supply deficits, and its historical role as money, silver offers unparalleled opportunities in 2024. Don't wait for the prices to soar. Secure your silver today and protect your future. Subscribe now for more insights on precious metals investing. Let's build your financial future together. Thank you for watching AG Metals YouTube channel.